You've seen them on campus and in your classrooms, and now it's time to see them on the big screen.
I just feel super prepared for my job and the next stage of my life.
Champlain students set themselves apart because we're given the tools and the experiences of a real-world professional.
It's given me the skills to be prepared for the working world, both like professionally and socially as well.
All of like the fun times and the hard times, like they're actually gonna show for something now.
I think Champlain made me a more professional, well-rounded person.
I've grown a lot through Champlain and have really come out of my shell.
I've had so many cool opportunities here at Champlain, like speaking at a math conference and studying abroad in Ireland.
I studied abroad for a semester in Montreal, and I did the Freeman Grant internship in Thailand.
So I actually had an internship in Seoul, South Korea, where I was actually able to study AI research at Korea University.
I studied abroad in Ireland. I worked with an internship program called Masamba Samba Music School.
I had the privilege of interning in Kyoto, Japan at a game development company.
I got to intern in Bangkok, Thailand. It really changes you as a person, and it's a phenomenal life-changing experience.
I believe the experiences here really taught me that anything can be possible, and if I put my mind to it and knowing the support system I have, I'd be able to accomplish it.
You know, if I had to go back and talk to my freshman self, I'd probably say that, you know, the road isn't going to be easy. You're going to be challenged by this place. But when the dust settles and you look back on your 4 years, you're going to be happy and you're going to be prepared.
Champlain was different in that it really gave me exactly what I wanted. I got to take so many law classes here. Champlain gave me the opportunity to do an incredible internship through the district attorney's office here. I feel as prepared as I possibly can be for law school.
I've been interning with the UVM hospital with their IT team. You're working directly with people, and whether you kind of realize it or not, whatever you're doing has an impact on their lives, and I'm really passionate about that.
Having a tax internship this past semester, I loved being able to know that I'm helping people with such a stressful part of their lives. Everybody has to do taxes. Nobody wants to do it, but me apparently.
If I count, 5. I've had 5 internships.
Champlain Ready means having both the skills and the confidence to step into the industry and start working right away.
Being Champlain Ready for me is about being confident, adaptable, and ready for whatever task may come my way next.
Champlain has given me the experiences that I need to have the confidence to get through life.
I'm really happy about the opportunities I've been given, and I could not have asked for a better education. Champlain really set me up for my career. I've already secured a job. It's been really worth it, and I've met a lot of really great people along the way.
I am very excited to move into my first full-time job in cybersecurity.
I am working on the marketing team at New Breed.
I will be a technical solutions engineer.
I will be starting an internship with Epic Games as a game designer.
Well, I will be going into an accounting role.
I'm ready to start my full-time role as an audit associate.
It feels amazing and rewarding to be sure of what you want to do.
I have a lot of things to look forward to after school.
I am ready to make a difference in the lives of students in Vermont and everywhere else.
I am ready to make an impact in technology by building the gap between technology and community.
I'm ready to make a difference in the lives of high school and college students and their understanding of financial literacy.
I am ready to make a difference for my family's future.
I'm ready to make a difference in food systems.
I'm ready to bring joy and fun to the world with the games and systems I make for it.
I am ready to make a difference in the world.
I'm ready to start my life.
I'm ready to make my voice heard.
I'm ready to make a difference in my team. I am a cybersecurity consultant.
I am an innovative marketer.
I am a programmer.
An artist and a mathematician.
I am an entrepreneur.
I am a teacher.
A mentor within my community.
I am a compassionate change maker. I can make a difference.
I feel incredibly ready for the real world.